told you the easiest side hustle to start right now costs $0 and could bring in over $2,000 a week. So in this video, I am breaking down how to launch a simple digital product business with zero upfront investment and how you can do it starting today. I'm Jillian Leslie, co-founder of MiloTree. It's a platform built to help creators, bloggers, coaches, and online entrepreneurs launch and grow their digital product businesses without tech overwhelm. Over the years, I have helped thousands of people make their first sale and their first $1,000 by selling simple digital products like ebooks, workshops, templates, memberships, subscriptions, and coaching. Our customers have collectively made millions, and I'm going to share what they're doing. So if you are looking for a realistic way to build income online, something you can start today with no audience and no fluff, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. So what are digital products? Digital products are things you create once and sell over and over again without ever touching a cardboard box. Think a wedding planning spreadsheet, or a 7-day self-care challenge PDF, or a printable chore chart for kids, or a start your Etsy shop template kit, a 30-minute video tutorial on how to edit reels. And it's not just downloads. Coaching and memberships are digital products too. They just involve a little more live commitment. If you like working directly with people, you can sell one-on-one coaching. I always say maybe start right there. You can host live workshops or run a monthly membership where you deliver value on Zoom or inside a private Facebook group. These can be incredibly profitable, especially when you want to connect deeply with your audience. So whether you want to create once and be done or show up live and teach, there's a digital product model that fits your style. So how much can you actually make? Let's do some simple math. Say you create a $47 digital workbook, you sell 50 copies in a month, that's $2,350. Or launch a $99 workshop and sell just 25. You're at $2,475, and that's before adding upsells or bundles. So digital products scale beautifully. You're not trading hours for dollars. You're building assets that work for you 24/7. And the profit margins, 80 to 90% in most cases. It's one of the most efficient ways to build recurring income. So how do you pick what to sell? Here is the deal. You want to solve pokey problems, the kinds that poke people all day and drive them just a little nuts. Because guess what? People pay to stop the poking. This is not the time to create a nice to have product like a journal with pretty quotes. You need a make it stop product, something that solves a specific, painful, annoying problem for a specific audience. Start by asking, what's something that used to stress you out until you figured out a system? What question do people constantly ask you because they know you've cracked the code? What shortcut or fix would have saved you hours or your sanity? So maybe it's a digital planner for neurodivergent teens, or a script for setting healthy boundaries with clients, or a 3-step system to clean your kitchen in 15 minutes a day. Whatever it is, make it specific and useful. So vague does not sell. Helpful and targeted does. Then package it up into a downloadable guide, a plug and play template, a video walkthrough, a coaching session, a 1-page cheat sheet that saves someone time or money. And remember, you don't need a dozen products. You need one great one. However, to get there takes trial and error. So don't be surprised if it takes 5 tests of different products, but you want them to be easy, you want them to be quick, and you want to create them fast. So you solve one sharp pain point and you've got something people will gladly pay for. You can create these products for free. You do not need expensive software or tech know-how. All you need, Google Docs for writing, Canva for designing, ChatGPT for outlining, drafting, and idea generation, and then MiloTree for selling. You want to make it visual. Well, Canva has plug and play templates ready to go. You want to make it fast. ChatGPT can help you write it in record time. You can create a beautiful 12-page guide or a workbook in an afternoon and be selling it with MiloTree by dinner. If you need ideas for products, I've got you. Download my one AI prompt to help you come up with 10 easy products you could sell this week. The link is below. Let's talk about selling. I am going to recommend MiloTree. Why? Because marketplaces that take a chunk of your profits or limit your control aren't where I would be. And MiloTree is simple. You can run your entire digital product business from the platform. We specifically made it for creators who want simple, powerful, and affordable solutions. So with MiloTree, you can sell digital downloads, coaching, workshops, and courses. We deliver your products automatically to your customer. Let our AI write your sales pages and email opt-in pages in seconds. To entice your customers with MiloTree, you can offer coupons, upsells, order bumps, tripwires, all with the click of a button. It integrates with all major email service providers like ConvertKit, MailChimp, Flowdesk, MailerLite, you name it. You can also build your email list with MiloTree by offering unlimited freebies and opt-ins, as well as grow your social media following by installing our social media pop-ups on your site that will grow your followers on autopilot. You can get started completely free. No trial, no time limit, no credit card. And when you're ready to level up, our paid plans start at just $19 a month. That's peanuts compared to other platforms charging over $100 a month with more restrictions and fewer features. So what's holding you back? Nobody starts with a best-selling product. Nobody starts with a huge email list. The only difference between the people making passive income and those still thinking about it, they started. So do something today your future self will be proud of you for. Make your first product, put it out there, improve it as you go. And now tell me, what was your biggest takeaway from this video? Drop it in the comments and I will reply personally. And hey, if you found this helpful and you want more straight talking strategies on making money with digital products, just hit that subscribe button. I am here every week with new videos to help you grow your income the smart way, no burnout required. And if you're ready to see exactly what products are trending right now, what's selling like crazy, watch this video next. I break down how to sell digital products even if you have zero audience. So trust me, you don't want to miss this. See you there.